House hacking. Narinig niyo na ba yung house hacking? Well, isa rin ito sa paraan kung gusto nyong mag-invest ng rental apartment if you're single and you're a couple and willing to delay gratification, kumbaga hindi muna tumira sa kumbaga dream house nyo. So another way to accumulate a property and live free or even mortgage free is house hacking. So, ano ba yung house hacking? Ito ay yung bibili ka ng property and then you will live in one unit and then you will rent the other unit. So, posible ito na malesen yung mortgage liability mo if you're able to buy a really good deal or really good purchase price on the property. Isa rin ito sa pwede mong gawin